suction.
This, oh my gosh.
It's going. I can feel it.
We're having an earthquake.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Where's Lee?
He's with your
Whoa!
joy.
The neighbors like that?
Yeah, this is our swimming pool and it's
Done. I don't think it's...
Sure?
I still feel it a little bit.
And it's overflowing.
I
And
still feel it a little bit.
Are the neighbors home? They're home, the same thing.
no.
It's like the ocean.
This is only a pool. Imagine if it was the ocean.
Oh, it's slowed down already.
Yeah. I still slightly feel it a little bit.
Oh my gosh, it's over.
Now you don't know if it's leaking. All the water just came out.
Oh my god, it's still going.
Jump in.
No, it's less now.
It's done.
Yeah. Well, that was a fun one. It was a slow one. It wasn't like a jerky one.
You want to see Joe's?
So only we can have that there because it's deeper over here. All the energy is going that way, or pushing it up from me.
You know when you're steady, you can't really feel it. I didn't feel it.
You're leaning against something.
You felt it?
Someone was shaking my bed or the bed. I was like, what?
Oh. I actually went to look for you, honey. I'm like, shit.
Maria was funny. She's like trying to take a picture of me. She's like, stop moving. I was like, I'm not moving.
She told you to stop moving?
Yeah, I just trying to take a picture.
Okay, that's